Well, hello friends, and welcome to Smart Media's three-step system on how you can make money by giving away the homepage pay system to people all around the world. And the three steps are as simple as 1, 2, 3. The invitation, the connection, and the conversion. And we're going to go into more details on this video about each one of those steps so you can make the right decision for you to make sure that you understand this system and whether you believe it can work for you or not. Because this system is the foundation. And once you put this foundation in place and use this simple system, everything else is taken care of. This is all you focus on. So let's go in and talk about the invitation. The invitation is as simple as inviting someone to go to your website. That's it. You're asking someone to give you 2 minutes of your time to watch a 2-minute video that gives them enough information to register as a free member. Now, you can do that using a variety of reaching out methods. What do we mean by reaching out methods? Well, you could reach out to people by calling them on the phone or over Skype. You could contact them on Facebook. You could meet them face to face. You could use classifieds or internet marketing systems or banners, flyers, business cards, emails. All of those systems, it's very simple. You can be talking to people you know or people you don't know. That's the great thing about Homepage Pays. Because it's such a valuable free member program, literally you could share it with anyone and you're going to get a pretty positive response because you're not trying to sell them something. Here's an example of a script that you could use or modify if you were contacting people over the phone or Skype or the social networks or even face-to-face. And with a little modification, it could also be used for emails or flyers. And we'll give you some examples of that as we get further into this video. Hi, John. Have you heard of Homepage Pays? Just pretend I've just called John up on the phone. You haven't? Wow, gee, it's a really fun, entertaining, friendly social community that you can join for free, John, and you can win some great prizes like new iPods and computers, and you can even win cash. And it's so simple, anyone can win. Like you could be a winner like Sean was in the UK, won 500 in cash, and Stephen in the USA won a new computer. Wally in New Zealand won an iPod. That could be you, John. It's free to join. And on top of the great prizes, you get a whole lot of free stuff and a whole lot more. And when do you think you might have 2 minutes to go and check it out for yourself? Just watch a quick video. And if you like it, I can also show you how by giving this away to other people for free, how you can earn yourself a very good part-time income. When do you think you might have 2 minutes, John? Now, the important things that I covered in that script was I was asking John for 2 minutes of his time to go to a website. That was it. I was following the script. I was creating urgency and curiosity. Now, if John was going to ask me questions, I wouldn't get into answering questions. Why? Because it's not that you don't want to, you want to withhold information. It's just that the video is going to do a much better job than you can. You see, if you start answering questions, that means you're now the salesperson. You're the expert. Sure, you might get John to go to the video, but then you're spoiling it for John because then John thinks he has to be a salesperson and an expert to be able to give it away to somebody else. It's much easier to any question say, hey, John, look, I don't want to spoil it for you. I promise the video is only 2 minutes and it'll answer your questions. What have you got to lose? 2 minutes, then you can see if it's going to be of value to you or not. When are you going to be in front of your computer, John? That's simple. You could leave a voicemail message if you get an answering machine. Hi, John. Sorry I missed you. This is Stephen. When you get this message, call me back. It's urgent. I've got something really important to show you when you're at your computer. It's a simple one. Here's how you can modify an example of what you could modify for flyers. Now, when you get started as a representative, in your back office there's a marketing section. There's a whole lot of stuff in that marketing section, and we will be adding to that flyers and business cards and lots of banners. The design team are working on them now. Here's an example of a flyer that you could use to promote Homepage Pays. Here's a quick tip as well. You notice on this flyer it doesn't mention Smart Media or Homepage Pays. Now there's a very good reason for this, and that is search engines. Now you see, when you give out a flyer and it's got your website on it, what a lot of people do is they'll type that website into a domain name, into a search engine. Now, the problem with that is that, let's say you've got your website with homepage pays and you chose the username Joe Blogs. So you've got joeblogs.homepagepays.com. Okay, so you put that on the flyer. Well, if someone goes to a search engine and types in that, they're not just going to bring up your website, they could bring up a whole lot of websites. And that means you've gone to the time and the expense to put these flyers out or business cards out, and then they might end up on someone else's website. So there's a very quick tip and a way that you can get around that that's not expensive. You can buy your own generic domain name, and then you redirect that domain name to your homepage page website. So let's say your domain name was just joeblogs.com. So when someone typed in joeblogs.com, they'd go straight to your homepage page website because you've got it redirected to your homepage page website. Just a quick tip, you don't need to use it. This is very inexpensive. We're not talking about learning how to build websites or systems. You just buy a domain name for a few dollars and you redirect it to your website. You've already got your website and the system all in place. Here's some examples of banners that you can use. So in other words, it's very simple. Like, these are some cool banners. You can be creative yourself, and we've got the creative design team designing a whole lot of banners that you'll be able to use as examples for marketing if that's the way you want to market. So in other words, the invitation is simple. You're inviting people to go to your homepage page website, to watch a video, to make a decision to become a free member. That's it. It's very simple. Anyone can do that. Let's go to, I shouldn't say anyone, because you make the decision whether you feel you could do that or not. Let's go to step 2. That's the connection. This is where you use the system to connect with your free members to ensure that they're enjoying their experience. That makes sense, doesn't it? For example, you can use the branding to connect with your free members, and we'll show you some examples of that in a moment. We've also got, in the training area of your online office, you can go to the training area, the success training area, and there's an example file there of free member connection letters that you could use. They're just to give you a guide on how you can communicate. We suggest you give your free members a welcome call, or at least a welcome email. Introduce yourself. Let them know that you're there to help them, to give them any help they need, answer questions, and to give them your contact details. Share some positive stories with them. The free member connection letter shows you exactly how to do that. Now, how do you find your free members? Well, it's simple. When you log into your Smart Media Technologies website by using your username and password, you then land on your online office. Now, your free member details are under free referrals in business control. You'll also see other tabs up here, like you've got the Smart Media products. This is where you find out more about the Smart Media's products. This is where you find about the marketing, the branding, the advertising. And this is where there'll be lots of marketing tools being added to there. This is the training section that we were talking about, where there's a lot of great training PDF files and videos there. The accounting section's a place where you're going to want to visit, because this is where you see some great reports. You see the money you're earning in real time, and where you can ask the company you want to withdraw your money and get it into your bank account. This is the support system, where you can keep up to date with all the latest company news and updates, and you can also create a support ticket for help if you need it from the company. Now let's look at this business control. You've got some great business features here. We're not going to go into detail on those right here. This is where you see your 2x infinity tree. This is where you change the placement if you want your new representatives to go in your left or right tree. This is all your personal information that you can update at any time, change your username and that. This is where you find all your representative referrals, your personal referrals that you've sponsored, and this is your free member referrals. Now in this example, we're on the free member page, a screenshot of that, and what we're showing is that here it is. This is a demo account that we've set up to give you a hypothetical example to demonstrate the phenomenal power of this viral marketing system. Now, in this example, we're saying that testing has gone to the demo homepage page website and joined as a free member. Then when they joined as a free member, they got their own website. They then gave their website out, and testing level 1 joined from their website. Testing level 1 then gave their website out, and testing level 2 joined from their website. And then they gave their website out, and testing level 3 joined from their website. But all of those free members are your referrals because you're the rep. You see, a free member, when they refer someone else, they receive 25 smart points, which is very powerful. Now all of a sudden your free members have got a huge incentive because those smart points can be of tremendous value. And I'm going to share a story with you in a moment to show you how powerful this system can be. And this goes down infinite levels. That's right, it doesn't stop at 3 or 4 or 5 levels. You could share it with one free member who shares it with another, who shares it with another, who shares it with another. Every one of them receive 25 smart points, but they all become the representatives' free members. And the power of that is when we activate the advertising, pay-per-click advertising income, you receive 30% of the advertising revenue when your free members are using the internet or using the homepage pay system. How many free members could you share it with? And think of the power of that. Let me share a story with you. And this is an example of it. You get 25 smart points a free member gets. The more free members they refer, the smart points they get. Now, we say on average each free member will refer 10. But I'm going to share a true story with you right now. One of our leaders from Canada, Mariette, she went out on Facebook and she started giving away homepage pays to people who were having a birthday. And she gave it away to one lady in the United States who joined. That lady joined as a free member. And the story then goes, that was a birthday gift. She loved that. She thought it was great. She was having fun. And then she thought she wanted to share this with family and friends. And then what made her even more excited was she found out about the smart points. So she started sharing it with family and friends. And within 2 days of becoming a free member, she had personally referred 127 new free members on her personal link. Now, she got 127 times 25 smart points, which is over 3,000 smart points. But guess what? All of those free members were in Mariette's back office, 127. Now, that's a happy story in itself. One turned to 127. But in less than a week, that 127, those people started sharing it with other people, and then those people shared it with other people. And in less than a week, Mariette had over 1,000 free members in her back office, over 1,000 free members. And then the first person who started that chain decided to upgrade to a representative. And now there are 2 people who have upgraded to a representative, and Mariette and that person are working on those first 127 to go to all of them to get them to upgrade with this representative, so that those people then become paid members in that person's paid business and in the team cycle bonuses and in Mariette's business. Just think about it. Every person expands your circle of influence. How many people do you know that you could give this away to for free? How many people do you know that you could share it with on the social networks and in other places? This is the most valuable free member system, and you can just give it away to people, and it's a valuable gift that you're giving. Mariette gave it away as a birthday gift. That's how valuable a gift it is. That is the power of this program. It's the most powerful program that I have ever seen. And then when you look at this super branding feature, now let me explain what you're seeing on the screen now. This is what your free member would see on Homepage Pays. You see, when you purchase a super value package, you get the opportunity to put in unlimited website links with a thumbnail image, and unlimited videos in the video section. There's a favourite websites and favourite videos. Now, where do you find them on the menu of Homepage Pays? That all your free members see this. It's in the top menu system on the far right. if you with the super branding, and on the in the special content menu, that's the menu bar we're on here, with the favourite websites and the favourite videos. Now, here's an example. Let's just say your free member asked you a question, and they said something about, tell me more about the free member program, or I want to know about this or that. You could say, well, go and click on favourite websites, and then go and click on the product. We've got this set up for homepage pays. So when your free member clicks on favourite websites, this is the image that comes up. This is the screen. If you've got it set up, special websites, see? You can also have it with categories, but we've made it very simple so that then all they do is click on that thumbnail image, and that will take them straight to the product page of the website, where there's the product video, demonstration videos, and PDF files. In other words, there's all the information your free member needs to know more about homepage pays. Very simple. We've also got it to talk about the opportunity, how to upgrade, and a little bit about our other product, the advertising and branding. Now, why have we strategically located the super branding in these two places? Well, firstly, in the top menu on the homepage pays of homepage, well, that is where your free members are going to spend time every day, because that's where they go to click the daily, weekly and monthly prizes and get access to other great stuff. So that's a good place to have it. Now, why in the special content menu? Well, at the moment in the special content menu, we only have Smart Points and then the super branding. But very soon we will be adding the Smart Point shopping, the Smart Media Games, and the Smart Media Museum. So this is a place where your free members are going to want to spend a lot of time every day, finding out how many Smart Points they've got, going and spending their Smart Points, visiting the Smart Media Games Museum, and visiting the Smart Media Games and participating in the games. And while they're there, they click on the websites and the videos. And this is just promoting homepage pays, but you could be promoting another network marketing company, another business. You could have your own Facebook page and your own personal pages there. This is a great way for you to connect with your free members. Very powerful. And it's not hard to set this up. It's very simple. We've actually got a video and a PDF that is available in the product training area of your online office. So there's step 2. It's all about connecting with your free members so that they're happy and they're using the system. Because remember, when we activate that pay-per-click advertising income, you want your free members using the system all the time. And don't worry, we're going to be giving them many more rewards, that when they're using the system, the more they use it, there's more Smart Points they can get. So there's step 2. Let's talk about step 3, the conversion. The key to taking your free member to a rep is to remember you are sorting to find the people interested in helping us find more members. That's it, helping us to follow this simple 1, 2, 3 system. You're not in the selling business. You're not in the convincing business. Don't try convincing people or selling. All you want to do is connect the way we were talking, invite the way we've shared with you, and then once you've got a happy free member, it's as simply as asking them, would they be interested in earning a very good part-time income, following a simple system and giving this system away for free? Now, then the people who say yes, you direct them to watch the 3-minute video. Now you're asking them to take 3 minutes of their time again. You see how the system works? And you can keep it simple by using the branding. Here's the super branding again. When they click on the favourite websites, here's the 3-minute video, which will take them straight to the home page of the Smart Media Technologies website, and the 3-minute video is on that page. Here we've got the opportunity video on this page. This takes them, if they click on that link, takes them straight to the opportunity page of that website, where there's an opportunity page, the system video, a lot of information. So it can answer their questions on how they can make money. You don't need to answer the questions for them. You just direct them to your favourite websites if you've got the super branding. And then when they say, well, okay, I'm ready to get started, what do? You get them to click on this link. It takes them straight to the login page. They log in using their free member account, their username and password, and then they come to the purchase page and they select the product that they want to purchase, the 125, 200 or the 400. Now, they could also go to your join page, but the reason that free members we suggest they log in in, because if they go to the join page to purchase, then when they try to get their username, it'll say it's already taken because it's taken by them. Whereas if they log in from the login page, then it's already registered that it's the person to keep their username. Now, this is also, we've got here on the branding, we're showing how you can use the branding you can use the super branding, and you've got a video all about the branding there. And so you might have someone who wants to know more about the super branding, or you might have a company who wants to know about the advertising. This is a great way. Get them to register as a free member and to watch that video. Very simple. They can watch the product video and the advertising, because they're the two that would be very interesting to them, and then you get them to upgrade. Because if they want to advertise or they want to brand their company, they might not be interested in the opportunity, so you send them to this video. That's the way that you use the super branding to connect with your free members and to convert your free members to paid members. How it works, it's very conservative when we're talking about the 80-20 rule, and we cover this in the opportunity video. So I'm not going to go through it here, but in a hypothetical example, we say that if you invited one person a day for 30 days, it'd take you 7.5 hours. We say that half of those 30 people that go to your website say no, only 15 join. Very conservative. From those 15, we say only 3 upgrade. From the 3 that upgrade, we say that they buy the super value package. As a super rep, you earn $150 on every one of those packages, so you've earned $450. It's taken you 7.5 hours to invite 30 people to your website, 15 become free members. You've earned $450. That equates to $60 an hour. So while you're following the 1, 2, 3 system, we've only taken into account 1 direct bonus here. There are 2 other direct bonuses. There are roll-up direct bonuses. There are team bonuses. There are 3 matching bonus incomes, 3 leadership star bonus incomes, and then there's the advertising incomes, the 3 advertising incomes. A total of 14 income streams that you can earn from, and we've just shown you how, following this simple system using very conservative figures, you could be earning up to $60 an hour from 1 income stream, and while you're following this system, those other income streams are growing. And once you get those other income streams growing, once you stop working, they continue to come in. This is your upfront money while you're building your team bonuses. Very powerful, friends. In summary, we've just shared with you the most powerful system that I have ever seen in nearly 20 years experience in the network marketing industry. You know, I've earned incomes in excess of $30,000 a week, earned millions of dollars in this industry. I have never seen a program like this. I've never seen a system that's as simple as this. It's as simple as the invitation, the connection, the conversion. These 3 steps taken over and over again will lead to your desired destination, whether you want to earn a few dollars a week to hundreds to thousands of dollars a week. Friends, come and join us. If you want to know more information about the opportunity, watch the opportunity video. If you want to know more about the product, go and watch the product videos and the demo videos. Do your due diligence. Find out what you need to get your questions answered, because once you do, come and join us and we will team up with you. We'll take you by the hand, help you work this system and help you to create your desired goals, whether that's hundreds to thousands of dollars a week. I'd like to say thank you very much for tuning in today. I hope you got value from this information, and I look forward to seeing you on some of our other videos or on one of our live webinars. Bye for now.